In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page from your navigation in Squarespace. This is a handy skill to have if you want to keep certain pages private or if you're organizing your site's navigation for a better user experience. Let's dive right into it and I'll walk you through the steps in just about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to access your Squarespace account, so go ahead and click on the login button. If you have been using Squarespace before, you'll know that logging in is straightforward. Next, if you have your accounts linked, you can conveniently click on Continue with Google. This option is especially useful if you prefer not to remember yet another password. Just make sure you're logging in with the Google account associated with your website. After you've logged in, you'll see a list of your websites if you manage more than one. Click on the website where you want to make changes to the navigation. This will take you to the Site Manager, which is where you manage all the content for your site. Now let's navigate to the Pages section. This is where you'll find all the pages of your website neatly listed. You can often find the Pages option directly on the left-hand side menu. Once you are in the Pages section, you'll see your main navigation, footer navigation, and any not linked pages. Look for the page you want to hide. To the right of each page name, you'll see various icons. What you're looking for here is the gear icon associated with your target page. Clicking on this will open up the page settings, giving you a range of options to customize. In the page settings, one of the key things you'll want to do to hide the page is to turn off the Enable Page option. This switch is generally found in the Page Settings panel. Disabling this option will hide the page from your navigation, making it invisible to viewers while keeping the page active in the background for your use. Once you've turned off the Enable Page option, make sure to save your changes. There's typically a Save button located at the bottom or the upper right corner of the settings window. Clicking on it ensures that all the adjustments you've made are updated on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully hidden a page from your navigation in Squarespace. Remember, while hidden, the page is still live and accessible with a direct link, so keep that in mind when sharing URLs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Happy site managing!